This is Vegas Pro version 15, and let's see how to eliminate these vertical black bars on the left and on the right side of clips. I'm going to use this time a still image, a JPEG, but it's the same thing for videos also. Okay, so let's click on the clip on the still image and click on the first icon. It has three, and click on the first one, which is event pan crop. Okay, and we will use this number here at project. It says 1920 by 1080. That's the width and the height of the entire video. Okay, and we will introduce those numbers here to width and height, but first uncheck lock aspect ratio. So now it's black, it is logged. Now it's gray, it's unlocked. Okay, so type in here the project size 1920. Okay, and to the height type in 1080 and press enter. Now log back the aspect ratio. Okay, and now this one is the selection and only that one is shown, but we want to show more, so grab the end and hold down the shift key and it will jump exactly to the side. Okay, so now we are showing only this part. We ignore the bottom part and the top part. The aspect ratio of the still image is not the same as the video. The video is wider and thus the top and bottom part is cut off, but at least we are hiding those black vertical bars. Okay, if you want to show more info from the bottom of the video, then just drag it down, or if you want to see the top, just drag it up. Okay, if you see these black bars on any of these sides, then just hold down the shift key while here and it will jump exactly to the sides. Okay, I want to show the lower part, for example. Okay, that's it. Just close this one and the image is ready. Black bars are hidden. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.